Hello everyone, welcome to the fourth module, that is isometric projection of engineering graphics. Moving on to the isometric projection, let's start with some examples of constructing isometric view. As you can see, draw the isometric view of a square lamina of 50 mm side when it is placed with its surface vertical and horizontal. So first of all, draw the front view of a square lamina, that is A dash B dash C dash D dash is the front view, and the dimension given is 50 mm. First of all, construct this one, after which you need to draw the isometric view. So in order to draw the isometric view, create a baseline, go for a 30-degree inclined line on which you mark 50 mm, that is D1 C1 is 50 mm. Then go for a vertical line which is D1 A1, it is also 50 mm. After which construct A1 B1 which is 50 mm and B1 C1 again which is 50 mm. Only thing is that you have to check that this particular side, that is D1 C1, is 30-degree inclined with the baseline. Okay, now this is the vertical isometric view. Similarly, when you flip it to the other side, that is, if B1 C1 is the vertical which is actually touching the baseline, then you can again create the same vertical isometric view with the method which I have explained just now. Create this one. This is also the isometric view which is vertical in nature. Only thing is that B1 C1 is the vertical, and in this case A1 D1 was the vertical. Again, you have to focus that there should be a 30-degree inclination. Construction methodology is similar as this case. Okay. Now, moving on to the horizontal case, that is wherein the isometric view need to be horizontal. First of all, create a baseline, after which you go for 30-degree inclined line, that is A3 D3 and D3 C3 are 30-degree inclined with the baseline, and then the dimension of it is 50 mm again, that is this is 50 mm, this is 50 mm. Then again create a line, that is A3 B3 which is 50 mm in nature, and B3 C3 which is 50 mm in nature. Okay, this is the horizontal isometric view. Next, moving on to second example, draw the isometric view of a 60 degree, that is 30-degree 60-degree, I could have written over there as 30-degree 60-degree set square whose length of longer edge is 50 mm. When the set square is placed vertical with its longer side touching the horizontal plane, that is, first of all, draw the front view of it. You know, the given dimension is the longer edge, that is A dash C dash, is given as 50 mm. Then you go for a 30-degree inclined line. You draw A dash B dash of any length which is 30-degree inclined. Then create C dash B dash which is 60-degree inclined. When you draw these two lines, you will get an intersection point, that will be your B dash. Okay. B dash. That means first of all draw A dash C dash, then go for 30-degree inclined line, then go for 60-degree inclined line, such that you get a point over here which is B dash. Now enclose this particular figure in a rectangle. Enclose this in a rectangle such that this figure is inside a rectangle. It is touching the rectangle. See, A dash is over here, C dash is on the rectangle, and B dash is also on the rectangle. Yes, side of rectangle. So enclose it in a rectangle, after which you need to draw the isometric view, that is vertical isometric view. Here I have mentioned as isometric view, but let's draw the vertical isometric view. So for that, you go for a 30-degree inclined line, A1 C1, dimension of which is 50. Then you create A1 E1, as you can directly measure it from here. You draw a vertical line of the same measurement, of the same height. Then after which you draw E1 D1 parallel to A1 C1, and the dimension of E1 D1 should be same as E1 D1 in the front view. that is this length, E1 D1 length should be plotted over here, in this over here, that is E1 D1 again. Then D1 C1 should be the same length as this side. Yes. Then what you need to do is measure E dash B dash. In a compass you measure E dash B dash, then keep the compass needle over here and cut an arc on this E1 D1 such that you get B1. Okay, after getting B1 you join A1 B1, again join B1 C1. So this is the vertical isometric view of the set square. So with this I am completing the problems, simple problems related with isometric view in vertical and horizontal way.